Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, something insane just dropped for AI video creators. Higgsfield has launched Kling O1 on their platform, and this thing basically lets you turn any idea into a cinematic video with just text and a few clicks. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I use Kling O1 inside Higgsfield to edit, transform, and generate videos. You will see how to change backgrounds, restyle characters, add creatures, and create multiple very different versions of the same clip using simple prompts. If you are into AI video, content creation, or you just want to upgrade your YouTube and social content, watch this till the end. What is Kling O1? First, let's talk quickly about what Kling O1 actually is. Kling O1 is a new unified AI video engine that can do text to video and video to video in a single powerful model. Instead of juggling many separate tools, you can write a prompt, upload a video, or mix different inputs. And Kling O1 handles generation, editing, and restyling in one workflow. On Higgsfield, Kling O1 is integrated directly into the browser experience. That means you can log in, upload your footage, type instructions in plain language, and let the model transform your video without needing a GPU machine or complex setup. This is perfect for solo creators, YouTubers, and editors who want fast iterations without learning a big VFX pipeline. What this campaign needs. Now let's jump into the actual campaign requirements and what I am going to show you on screen. For this campaign, Higgsfield wants a dedicated YouTube video that is at least 7 minutes long, recorded on desktop or laptop, where you demonstrate real use cases of Kling O1 on their website. So in this video, I am screen recording the Higgsfield interface, and you will see every step of the workflow: importing media, writing prompts, and reviewing the generated results. The goal is not just to show random effects, but to highlight how powerful Kling O1 is for creators. I will focus on 3 things: background changes, character and style transformations, and multi-shot consistency across different clips. By the end, you will have a realistic idea of how you can plug Kling O1 into your own content flow. Basic setup inside Higgsfield. Let's start with the basic setup. On the Higgsfield website, after logging in, you can access the Kling O1 tools from the Creation dashboard. Here, you can choose whether you want to start from text, from an image, or from an existing video clip.
Our traditions
For this
define who we
campaign,
are.
I am focusing
We
on
have
video
lived here for
to
centuries,
video, because
honoring
that
the
is
ways
where a
of
lot
our
of you will use
ancestors.
Kling O1
Our
in real
traditions define
projects.
who we are.
So I upload
We
a
have
short
lived
video
here for
where a
centuries,
subject is walking,
honoring the ways
and
of
I
our
keep it simple
ancestors.
so you can clearly see what changes. Once the video is uploaded, I get a prompt box where I can describe exactly how I want Kling O1 to transform the clip. Background changes. Now let's look at background changes, which are one of the most requested use cases. In the first example, I type a prompt like, keep the person exactly the same, but change the background to a snowy winter city at night, soft orange streetlights, and gentle snowfall. Kling O1 reads this instruction and generates a new version of the clip where the subject remains consistent, but the environment turns into a cinematic snow scene. In the second variant, I switch to something more dramatic. I write, do not alter the person. Replace the background with a dark lava landscape, glowing magma rivers, and a red smoky sky. The model now transforms the surroundings into a volcanic world, while keeping the motion and framing of the original video. Popular most wanted backgrounds. You can also use Kling O1 for more grounded, popular backgrounds that audiences love. For example, I can say, keep the subject the same, change the background to a futuristic cyberpunk city at night with neon signs and hologram billboards. This is great for shorts, music edits, or gaming content where you want that modern sci-fi vibe without shooting on location. Or I can go for something relaxing. Do not alter the character. Replace the background with a tropical beach at sunset, warm orange sky, and soft ocean waves. One line of text, Kling O1 gives you a completely different mood you can reuse for B-roll, storytelling, or aesthetic character and style transformation. Now let's move to character and style transformations, which are super fun for YouTube. Instead of only changing the background, you can ask Kling O1 to restyle the main subject in different artistic ways. For example, I can prompt, turn the person into a cel-shaded anime character, but keep the same pose, timing, and camera movement. Kling O1 will create a video where the motion feels like the original, but the person now looks like they came out of an anime series. This is powerful for story-driven channels, VTuber-style content, or anyone who wants to mix live action with stylized AI animation, adding moving creatures and fantasy elements. You can push this even further with fantasy elements and creatures. Let's say I want to add more moving elements in the background to make the scene feel alive. I can write a prompt like, keep the main character the same. Change the environment to a dark fantasy battlefield at night,
of the old kings,
with several dragon-like
arise,
creatures flying in the sky, and distant monsters moving on the ground. Kling O1 then blends your original footage with this fantasy world, adding new creatures that move in a way that matches the scene. This kind of effect previously required heavy compositing and VFX. Now you can get it just by writing a sentence. Consistency across clips. Another strength of Kling O1 on Higgsfield is consistency across clips. If you are building a longer story, you may want the same character to appear in multiple scenes with different backgrounds. By carefully prompting and using similar descriptions, you can create a sequence of shots where your subject stays recognizable while trying different errors. For example, you could have one clip in a snowy city, the next in a lava canyon, and another in a futuristic office, all with the same person or robot. This is perfect for YouTube storytelling, music videos, or branded campaigns where continuity matters. Why this campaign is a big opportunity. Let's talk briefly about why this campaign is a big opportunity for creators right now. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling O1 generation for users who subscribe to their Ultimate Plus plans during the campaign period. Compared to many other AI video tools that charge per minute or per generation, this makes Higgsfield one of the most affordable ways to experiment.
We have lived
scale.
here for centuries,
Unlimited
honoring the ways
generations
of our
mean
ancestors.
you can iterate a lot. You can test multiple prompts, compare different styles, and refine your look without worrying that every experiment is eating your credits. For serious creators and agencies, this kind of pricing is a big deal because it encourages experimentation and rapid prototyping. How Kling O1 fits your workflow. From a workflow perspective, Kling O1 can slot into your existing content pipeline very easily. You can start with a rough handheld clip and turn it into a polished, stylized sequence that feels like it was created in a high-end studio. You can also combine Kling O1 outputs with your usual editing tools to add music, sound design, subtitles, and final color grading. For YouTube in particular, this opens up new formats. You can produce cinematic intros, narrative shorts, explainer sequences, or background visuals for your talking head videos without needing expensive sets or locations.
To destroy AI.
As AI video engines improve, learning how to prompt tools will become a key skill for creators. Simple plans to get started. If you are watching this and wondering how to start, here is a simple plan. 1. Pick a short video clip you already have, ideally with clear subject motion and a simple background. 2. Log into Higgsfield on desktop. Open the Kling O1 interface and upload that clip. 3. Write 1 or 2 clear prompts focusing on a single idea at a time, like only change the background to a snowy city, or turn the person into an anime character in a neon cyberpunk street. 4. Generate a few versions, compare them, and refine your wording based on what you like and what you want to fix.
Squad.
Within an hour, you can go from zero to multiple professional-looking variations of your video.
Our traditions define who we are.
Final call
We
to
have
action.
lived here for
To
centuries,
wrap this up,
honoring the
Kling
ways of
O1
our ancestors.
on Higgsfield is one of the most exciting tools right now for AI-powered video creation. It combines powerful text-to-video and video-to-video capabilities